Hello guys, welcome to another video. I hope you will get to learn something in this video. Today we are going to trade in US dollar versus Japanese yen. Here we have got good opportunity. I have deposited $2,000 in this account, which will grow with proper risk management. I am reducing the lot size to 0.08. I am doing 8x the video here, after taking all the trades. Okay guys, I have placed all trades right now. All trades are in loss. Let's see how much profit or loss we make. Let me explain to you why I have placed so many buy trades. Let's start with the trend line, which we will apply on the downtrend made some time ago. It will act as trend line resistance. Connect all the dots well so that proper analysis can be done. From this our probability win rate increases. If we see here, the market has broken this resistance trend line and going up to retest. This gives up a signal to go to market. The market is going up here, making higher high higher low for the last few hours, so we have taken a buy trade. We will take another trend line which will be placed on the higher low of this minor uptrend. This will show you another trend which will make it easier for you to understand. We'll take another trend line from which we will create trend channel. This trend line will act as resistance for this minor uptrend. Always do analysis properly so that your trade will be in profit. Always follow the same system and make that system full strong, by which you will be called a successful trader. The market is going up by taking support on the lower trend line. It is a good thing. Here supply and demand area will create, for which you will use the rectangle tool. The market has reversed quite a few times at this point. Market has created resistance and support level here. If we look at its history, the market has reversed here too. It's all reverse point, which is very important points. Our analysis is complete. We have perfected the analysis. Let's see how the market reacts now. Market has also taken support on trend line here and also going upwards by taking support on supply demand area in a very good way. This is a high probability trade with 80 to 90% chance of going to up market. Let's see what reward the market gives us. Always know the stop loss and target point before taking a trade. My stop loss will be below the supply demand area as usual. Always keep the stop loss slightly away so that your trade is not closed on fake breakout. And my target point will be up about 60 pips. I always follow 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Our $16 are running at minus. Never mind, we have followed proper risk management. Okay guys, we have placed stop loss and target point. We have done the analysis properly. High percentage chances market will go up. If the market breaks the trend line, our stop loss will be hit. If we look at the history of the target point, the market has reversed multiple times. Markets can be shown to reverse even at our target points, and up is trend line too. Always check market history before setting target point, because do you know if the market reverses before your target point? Our target point is placed at the right place. The market has reversed here quite a few times. At all these points the market has acted as support and resistance. This is a very strong level. The market has taken resistance at this place, support here again acted like resistance. This is all important level which gives us an indication of how the market will react in the future. From where our target point is, the market can go down for further correction move. Let's see the market. No one knows confirmed it will be called market. I don't even know. We can only do proper analysis and leave the result on the market. Guys, we've got 4 hours a day waiting. When our target point is hit, the market reversed from our target point by 3 pips. It is very sad. Let's see what happens next. We have to be more patient. Had the market gone up even a little bit, our target would have been hit. The market is back where we took the trade. Finally, the target was hit after 4 hours 38 minutes. It's been 32 hours since we took the trade. Have to be very patient after trading. Patience is the biggest skill of a trader who comes from psychology. We put the target point here which got hit. I will close all my trades soon. The market went up with support on this trend line. We correct the trend channel a bit so that we can get proper analysis. Our analysis was correct, due to which we achieved this goal. The market went up very nicely. Always you have to be patient. We see another supply-demand area here. In this place too the market has reversed multiple times. This is where the trend line and supply-demand area have gone up by forming support. It's a high probability trade. Okay guys, I am closing all trades. $680 running profit here. We have followed 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my
$2,000 was deposited in this account, which has been made $2,717. We have grown about 40% of the account. The market has respect to our setup, 60 pips up from where we took the trade. Above we can see the resistance area. If the market comes down from there with a bigger rejection, so we can get the opportunity to take another trade.
A few moments later.
The market has retested by breaking the trend line and now going down, creating a proper price action here. We will sell $1. The market has made this trend line a resistance and has gone down. It's a high probability trade. I am taking 0.08 lot here.
This ain't on the man, facts bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same.
We have placed the trade with the same setup. Even if our trade goes to loss, we will still be in profit because we have a trade win whose risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. Let's see how the behavior of the market is. We took the trade with the same setup. High percentage chance market will go down. If our analysis is correct, then we will get profit. My stop loss will be above where I broke the trend line. If the market gives a fake breakout, then our stop loss will be hit. And my target point will be at the new lower low here too. The risk to reward ratio 1 to 2. Always make your own rules and follow them properly. Never break your rules. Only then will you be able to become a successful trader. All its trades are running in profit right now. $198 profit has been made.
Damn. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Okay guys, we have put a stop loss and target point. Let's wait patiently. How long does the market take to achieve our target?
Mainstream.
This is a big achievement for us. Target achieved after just 32 minutes. The previous trade, which took 32 hours. This is what happens in trading. Sometimes you will get 10 losses continuously. Sometimes you will get 10 profitable trades continuously. Let's close all trades. Our target has been achieved. Never get greedy in the market. Always follow your rules.
I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
We had made $2,000 deposit in this account, which has grown to $4,000. If you see the return of this account, then it is 100% here. We double the money. I hope you got to learn something from this video. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, have a nice day. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thanks for watching this video.